it's Kim at Geranium Lake Flowers, and we are a floral studio specializing in wedding and events located in downtown Portland. And you know what? We've been here for 27 years. Before I get started, I want to say a special condolences, our well wishes, our thoughts and prayers are with the whole state of Oregon. Yesterday, our governor put our state under a state of emergency for all the wildfires and forest fires. So to all our friends, family, customers, customer friends, farmers, the animals, the livestock, we're all thinking of you. Also, before I get started, I want to thank Greeleaf Wholesale for always providing us the most amazing floral. And let's get to it. So today we're making a foraged fall bouquet. Yeah, I know, it's such an inexpensive, cheap option. Really, this costs nothing. Nothing except for your time to go out and pick the flowers. So today I picked a little bit from the side of the road, from the little trail I walk in the morning, and then also from my yard. We're going to glam it up at the end and show you what a little spray paint will do, and we're going to make that beautiful, wide, trending shape, you know, that all those brides have. Just be sure you ask permission if you go on private land, and just be safe. I almost got in an accident because I'm like, oh, blackberries on the side of the road. I need those. There are some prickly, thistly, thorny blackberry things, and this will help. My skin is actually really sensitive to some things, so it helps with rashes, that kind of thing. So I'm just going to start building and show you a few of the flowers before I get started. This is a really popular thing called tansy. For some reason, I think it's poisonous to horses. But anyway, it's a side of the road thing. This is some sort of thistle. This is a really pretty piece of bamboo. So to make that kind of wide trending shape, you want to just make sure you place things at an angle so you kind of build out this wide shape. And this hydrangea is from my yard, and look, it has this beautiful fall shape, really pretty. Okay, you can see that it's taking shape, and so I didn't really cheat, but I have one dahlia left in my yard, literally one, and it's this red and yellow, and it is called red hot poker, and I've been buying it through one of my favorite growers, and then finally I asked him, what is it called? And I put it in my own yard. So you can see that I have this really beautiful lateral shape. You can see, to check it out, you see the blackberries on the vine, so you can have a little nibble. And this is all stuff from my yard. So, and the side of the road, and it's super inexpensive. So I don't know, I would carry this, right? It looks so beautiful. And then we're gonna go ahead and finish it off. And this is my favorite part. So you give it a nice cut. Yeah, so do we like the shape? I think it looks beautiful, right? I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna, we got this beautiful moss. So this is kind of maybe for a wedding that is, you know, kind of in pandemic times, we're having all these small, really intimate weddings. So check this out. I'm putting the moss around the bouquet, right? I have this paddle wire, and I'm just cinching tight and basically just wrapping around. This is a similar technique that you use to make wreaths, which are coming up. So be sure and stay tuned for fall wreaths. And then you have a little bit of length for your paddle wire. I'm gonna make it a little bit longer so we can finish it off and basically tie a knot, right? Okay, so I'm just gonna slip it on itself and cinch it up. And check that out. It's like a nice little kind of, I don't know, a handle or something. And then I I don't know, you could put some ribbon on it, you could put some silk or some raffia. I reference how we can glam it up, right? So if you want to make it a little bit glammier, we took some of our plant material and we just sprayed gold spray paint, but just see what happens when you just add a little bit of this stuff. It's like instant glam, right? It looks beautiful. I love it so much. Oh my God. Thanks for following us. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and click the little alert button. Comment if there's anything I can help you with or you need help with. Our website is linked below, and I think that's it. What do you think? It's kind of a, I don't know, glam foraged fall bouquet. Okay, I love you. Bye.